Kaya's brain, please hold. Kaya's brain, please hold. Welcome! We've been waiting for you. Kaya's already started talking to herself. So like, Kaya's brain, please hold. Kaya's brain, please hold. Kaya's already started talking to herself, so you can go ahead and slip in through the back. Kaya's brain, please hold. Did you know that potatoes were the first vegetable to ever be grown in space? Now, I don't know what the second or the third vegetable is. I didn't even know they were growing vegetables in space. I didn't know we had like a moon garden, but apparently we do. Apparently there's food in space, and potatoes were the first vegetable to be grown there. Okay. So, I had my own potato journey. I live with older people. They're both retired, and so they need, new activities, new experiences, I guess. So we decided that we were going to start gardening, and we decided that we were going to start with potatoes. So we did, and it was a fail. Watch. I'm very excited about this. Ooh. Wait, where did she died? I can't even see.
It's a root. Any potato?
You have to dig deeper, I think.
No potato.
What was that? What was that flower? No, there's potatoes. There's no potatoes.
We didn't make no potatoes.
What do you mean? There's no potatoes.
There's no potatoes.
That was just a potato flower.
Yeah. There's root, but no potatoes.
This is the root
But
that was
there's no
supposed to breed a plentiful harvest.
A potato.
And we have not even one potato. Ain't that a shame? That was embarrassing almost to watch. Like, wow. Wow. Not even the potato we planted was left behind. It was just dirt. How embarrassing. But anyway, anyway. So we did a take 2, and it was a success. And so I'm going to show you the entire journey from placing the potato inside to placing the potato in my mouth. All right, so let's go. All right, take 2. We're going to try to do red potatoes this time. Yeah, last time you saw the fail. You put fertilizer. Here's the bed. Let's go. Let's go. All right.
Green over there.
Let's see. Let's go, potato. Let's go. All right. There's news that there's growth in the potato trough. Let's see. Ooh. Look. We have more than just one, too. It's looking like there's some growth in there. And then this guy is big. And there's some growth here and some growth here. Okay, potatoes! Take 2, looking good. Doing a checkup. This time you can see the leaves before we get to the trough. Can you see them? Yeah, before we couldn't, so we already know that it's bigger. So that's cool. Ooh! And all the little ones grew. That one came up. That one came up. This was the big one. That one came up. And those other 2. Oh, snap! This might actually work this time. All right. You can see them way further back now. I don't even know how often I've been checking it. I wish it was like a... Wow. Look at that. So they're all tall. So this one's still small. She's still coming. But she's still thriving. This one got... Oh, how do I get a good picture of it? This way. Yes. One of the small ones got big. And then this is the biggest one that was there before. In the middle. I don't even know how we're gonna... Yeah. So this is the smaller one. This one got bigger. This was the biggest one always. And then these 2, well, maybe one of them didn't grow. Maybe they merged. Oh, these are the 2. Okay. So these 2 grew really big too. So the only one that we have to give a little bit more attention to is this one. But it's green. It's a late bloomer maybe. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yeah. Get it? Potatoes. Yes, potatoes. You better work, babe. This is crazy. This is literally just 4 days after I recorded last. She's even getting bigger. I wonder if she has enough room. But what? Like, look at the leaves. The leaves are even just like way different in 4 days. 4 days. Oh man. The stalks are thick. This is sick. Oh my gosh. The potatoes are potatoing. I was gonna check at the end of the week, but I feel like this has only been 4 days. The end of the week, there might be big ass bushes. That's crazy. I hope there's enough room at the bottom for them to like develop. It just rained and I'm not even out of the way. And look, you can see the the potatoes. They're potatoes, not tomatoes. That was my bad. Look at these plants though. Look how good they're getting. How big they are. Bruh. And the little one, look at her. She said, wait for me. I'm not coming. Look at her. Remember when she was like barely anything? She's making her way. And look at these bigums. Holy moly. These plants are all the same size now. This one used to be the biggest. But now she's got some competition. Because all the other plants are really the same size now. Look at them. Yes, potatoes. You better work, baby. You better grow. Grow like you're loved. I love you. Yes, girl. You look so good, girl. You look so good, girl. Shining, 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 shining. Yes, potatoes. Keep thriving. Oh, look at the potatoes now. It's only been a week. We got some rain. These plants ain't playing. Look. Oh my gosh, and the small one's getting... She's catching up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You better go, potato, go. Go, potatoes, go. Yes, queen. Oh, yes, I'm so proud of you. You are thriving, honey. You better work, sweetie. Yes. Look at this jungle. Oh my gosh. What? What? And she isn't a baby anymore. She said, make room for me. What? Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They are going in. Yes, potatoes. You are thriving, babe. You are winning, babe. Absolutely. Absolutely. I see what you're putting down. I'm picking it up. I'm serving it to my friends. This is everything, babe. Yes, potatoes. Yes, babe. Keep growing. Love you. Look at how much she's grown. This is how we can really tell. Because she used to be flat, but now look how big she is. And then, of course, we got our old heads. Yee! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It was windy yesterday, so everybody's like off kilter. Go, potatoes, go. Go, potatoes, go. You have about 3 more weeks and then we're gonna dig you up, baby. Okay, this is probably one of the last few times we're gonna do a checkup. We had a crazy rain, so all of them are just like beaten down and on this side, like they're all leaning. Now look, everybody's leaning over because of the wind and the rain. It's been a storm. But look at the little one. Look at the little one. But look at them. It looks like elephants have been trampling through. Like, oh my gosh. We got like 2 more weeks. We got this though, babes. You guys are doing fabulously. Go, potatoes, go. Go, potatoes, go. We're almost there. We're almost there. Good job. Okay. We did it!
Oh my god!
Second potato! Go deeper.
I don't know. I don't know if you pull them or.
Well, done now. With a bag.
Behind you. Oh my god!
Go deep as you can.
Yeah, go deeper.
What's that? That's the root?
Yeah. This one might not have none. It's kind
Oh, it does. It's just smaller. But still, she was the little one and she has
baby.
potatoes.
She said I had some babies.
She did.
She said I got some babies. I'm a real
Success.
I can have the little runs. I got some babies.
You did it. Look at all the dirt. Okay, we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many?
1, 2, oh my gosh. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh. 6. Get it. 6. My God. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 probably.
'Cause
And the 3 grunts.
they look like tomatoes.
Yeah. Oh my God. We gotta take a picture.
Okay. We roasted it, tossed it. We tossed it in olive oil, sprinkled a little salt, and roasted the potato from the harvest. Now it's time to try it. I can't believe I grew this. This is amazing. Everybody, farm. Be a farmer. This is so good. So green is named Zach or Cedric for sure. Blue is John, Avi. Red is Richard or Veronica or a French white girl named Monique. And yellow is like Nathan or Dawn. For sure. Hear me out. If it wasn't morally and ethically wrong and illegal, I would 100% run a brothel of early set dementia and Alzheimer's suffering grandmothers. I know it sounds crazy, but like, I think it would really work. Like, I feel like they'd make me a lot of money and they wouldn't even remember. So like, I wouldn't even have to pay for therapy. They would just be getting their kicks because, like, honestly, I really feel like grandmas, they want to still feel love. You know what I mean? They just don't know how to say it. So, like, honestly, I feel like even they would be more down to say yes because they'll be like, oh, like, I have Alzheimer's. Like, this is my last hurrah. I totally want to be a brothel girl. You know what I mean? Like, and I know that there's some kind of fetish for that. Come on. Boys are gross. Like, I bet there's a whole granny fetish that we don't even know about. So, like, they come in, they pick the myrtle of their choice. It's gotta be after like 7 p.m. though, because that's really when the Alzheimer's kicks in and stuff. So like, yeah, I think that would be a beautiful business proposition. Yo, what the F is a beaver? Like a duck bear? Who's got the munchies? I've got the munchies. Hey, 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 hey. Actually, these munchies keep getting crazier and crazier, okay? So this munchie is brought to you from the South, and it'll be very, 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 very obvious it's from the South once we start eating it. Today, we have bananas with mayo. Now apparently this is like a real thing. Like people actually like eat this. Like they put it in sandwiches, I read. Like it's like a sandwich. Sometimes they add cinnamon. Sometimes they add cinnamon and salt. I don't really see how cinnamon and salt is gonna help. But yeah, apparently it is a cheaper version or a less sweet version of like a banana cream situation. Now for me, I really don't like to taste mayonnaise. Like I like it on my sandwiches and things of that nature for moisture, but I don't like to taste the mayonnaise. Like the taste of mayonnaise is not something that I literally had to ask my mom to stop making me sandwiches when I was a kid because she loves mayo and she used to just slather my sandwiches in mayo. And I was like, you know what? I don't want sandwiches for lunch anymore because I do not like how much mayo is all over my sandwich. So now now we're gonna just eat mayonnaise with a banana and say that it's a snack. That's what we're doing. I'm not knocking it. I'm just discussing what's happening right now. Okay, so let's get into the mayo. Oh my gosh. Luckily it doesn't really smell. Okay. It does have a smell. Okay, so we're just gonna get like this much. And we're gonna put it right here. Okay. Okay. Nice and colorful snack, right? So healthy. Okay. Next we're gonna try this. Let me wipe this excess mayo from this fork though, because like I said, I can't. Like I cannot with the taste of mayo by itself. And I just found out it had a smell, so that's cool. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's let's cut it up first though. I'm gonna cut it. Okay. Okay. I'm like literally shaking. Kaya, there is not a gun to your head. You're doing this because you want to, okay? Okay. Alright. Okay. It already touched it, so we'll use the one that touched it already. So... Okay. I don't want to like chicken out. Oh my gosh. But like I really am not interested in this. Okay. Ooh. Oh, Father God in heaven, please. Please. I just need a job. Okay, stop playing. Ooh! Woo! Okay. Woo! I am not ready. Okay. Yes, I am. Okay. Ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Oh, Jesus, please take the wheel. 1, 2, 3. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. When they tell you to stop playing with your food, this is what they mean by that. This is exactly what they mean by that. How do I say this? Congratulations to those who find that snack appetizing. I'm very happy that you can find yourself a low-cost meal that potentially could last you for days. That was a great find for you. And you can also just keep that in the South. We don't need it on the coasts. Please, 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 man, please. That, I don't even have the words to express what just happened to me. So we're gonna move on. And I tried to eat more bananas. You saw me shoving more bananas in my mouth to compensate for that one banana dipped in mayo. And it did not work. I thought I was gonna lose it. No. Oh my gosh. But anyway, speaking of like hard nose, tarantula season just ended. In California, we have tarantula season from September through November. So December 1st is the first day where the mating season is over. And usually, I don't see the tarantulas. I'll see like maybe 1, maybe 2. But this season, I saw 4. 4 tarantulas during mating season. So if you're not into spiders and stuff, then don't look at the next clip. But if you're interested, I have a video of every single tarantula that I saw this mating season. So let me show you my tarantula collection. Yo! Again, bro. That's nuts, bro. Again. Ay! Woo, not me. That's crazy, right? Crazy. How you just have a whole bunch of wild hand-sized spiders walking around, right? But yeah, that was crazy, right? But it was actually pretty cool because every single tarantula was different. It looked like, I don't know if it was a different species or if it just like had different markings or what, but like every single tarantula looked different. And so I want to know how many species of tarantulas live in this area. Because I mean, that was just 4 and every single one was different. But anyway, I thought that was cool. Nice and sciencey-ish. But anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. I really enjoyed your company. And I really hope you know how much you matter to me and to this world. Have a good rest of your day. Kai's brain? Absolutely not. Because we do not need glitter. I don't think you're understanding the amount of responsibility that comes with glitter, Nightingale. I'm gonna have to call you back. Hi, friends. Going so soon? Well, let me sing you out. Ready? You're gonna repeat after me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I am worthy. I am loved. There is no one like me. I'm enough. Do it again. I am worthy. I am loved.